There's an old, probably apocryphal, saying that says, you don't need to worry about ROI for security. The idea being that security is so essential, it's worth whatever cost. Of course, no one says that seriously, and no CFO ever considered that a serious argument. I have the feeling that at some point in the not-so-distant future, we'll be hearing something similar from IT leaders when it comes to the ROI of Bring Your Own Device, BYOD. And that will soon have CFOs asking, what's the return? What are we getting for all this investment we've been making? My reasoning is simple. Every piece of research I've seen of late forecasts heavy spending on BYOD-driven mobile solutions, followed by heavier spending on mobile solutions. How heavy? In the 2013 edition of Computerworld's State of the Enterprise survey, respondents listed mobility and collaboration as the solutions most critical to their future plans. And in CIO's 2013 State of the CIO research, mobility was listed just behind cloud computing as the trend that will most profoundly impact the office of the CIO. Across all research I've seen, mobile budgets are growing rapidly as a percentage of overall IT spending. Now, I believe fully in the productivity potential of these mobile investments, which represent the leading edge of the BYOD trend. But can you measure them? Well, yes, if you ask the right question. And that question may not be about ROI, it may be about business value. How deep is the apathy about ROI for BYOD? Well, in one recent study undertaken by Jack Gold Associates, respondents were asked about mobile ROI. Only 1 in 10 said they think they're able to measure it. Half said they estimate it. The rest are doing nothing right now with respect to measuring ROI. Now, given the rapid pace of BYOD adoption, my suggestion is to begin thinking really hard about business value for BYOD, rather than straight up ROI. And here are some talking points for your CFO. BYOD empowers people to choose their own devices to improve productivity, collaboration, and mobility. Security, job one for any BYOD implementation. A well-planned and executed BYOD strategy will help you protect sensitive business information from loss and theft while addressing privacy, compliance, and risk management mandates. This answers the #1 concern for business and IT with regard to BYOD, security. Resource management and allocation is always an issue. Smart BYOD implementation can reduce costs and simplify management through self-service provisioning, scenario-based policies, and automated management and monitoring. Other BYOD cost reductions can come from reduced support requirements. Many organizations require users to buy their own separate maintenance contract for their personal devices that they use for work. In fact, it's becoming common to make workers responsible for buying the device. Contractors can be required to bring their own devices. Organizations can give a stipend to employees for laptops that's attractive, but still less than the overall loaded cost for the device. In another study, your peers told us a key to mobile success is a unified, easy-to-use platform or user interface, a single, comprehensive solution to secure devices, apps, and data will help simplify this part of your IT landscape. Now, sooner or later, the ROI of BYOD will come front and center, and you will be asked, are we getting our money's worth? Seize that opportunity to lead by reframing the discussion. Let me tell you about the business value of our BYOD initiative. It'll put IT front and center as a business strategist.